Channel 3 News in HD starts now.
Well, there are guys who just can't stand the idea of losing their hair, and there are other guys who just can't get rid of it fast enough, especially that unsightly back hair.
For many men, it's an embarrassing issue, but they may not realize there's a painless solution if they're willing to pay for it. Health anchor Monica Robbins reports on laser hair removal.
When most men think of hair removal, this comes to mind. Mike doesn't want you to see his face, but he'll show you why he wanted to remove his back hair. It used to look like this. After 6 treatments with a laser, it's smooth, like this.
So it's becoming definitely more and more popular as men learn about it. A lot of men don't know that there are treatments that can be done.
Dr. Haber's laser targets the melanin, which is the pigment in the hair and the skin. The laser heats up the melanin, and it's the heat that destroys the hair. Hair is pretty sturdy, so multiple treatments are usually required. The hairier the back, the more treatments needed. The laser can be used on virtually any part of the body, but there are restrictions.
If a person has a significant tan, we will not operate the laser because the tan can actually pick up the laser energy and burn the skin.
With this laser, 4 treatments are required to get about 75% reduction, and there's no guarantee because some hair might grow back. Usually, laser hair removal is done by a dermatologist or plastic surgeon. Make sure the person using the laser is qualified and experienced. As for the price, Mike's treatment so far cost him $4,000, but he says it was worth no longer being embarrassed to take off his shirt. Now, that gel you saw was aloe vera gel. The laser can be safely used on dark-skinned people as long as it's set correctly. Usually a test will be done behind the ear to make sure there are no pigmentation changes. But it won't work on gray or very light blonde hair because that type of hair has no pigment. Tim Ramona?
Monica says it's painless.
Just leave it where it is.